I would like to greet you a very happy birthday.
Hi Will, una sa lahat, binabati kita ng happy birthday. Sana, I hope you will have more birthday to come to celebrate. Yun na, happy birthday again. Bye.
Oh, happy birthday. Been a while, we miss working with you. Ang taba pa rin yung isang babae niyon, gaga siya. Pero we miss you here, you're a good employee, man.
Happy birthday to
50th birthday, Willie Boy. How are you doing now? So, meron akong gift sa'yo, pare. Gusto mo?
Happy birthday, Kuya Will. God bless.
Hi Kuya Will, I wish you all the best for the 50th birthday. All right? See you soon and be happy all the time. Happy birthday again, Kuya. Bye.
Kuya Will, how are you? I wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. See you soon.
happy birthday to
Kuya Will, kamusta po kayo? Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Happy birthday po pala. Happy birthday po pala. Sana makatrabaho pa kita dito sa Costco. Bumalik na po kayo. Ako na bahala sa inyo.
Willie, happy birthday sa'yo. Ang wish ko sa'yo, marami pang birthday na dumating sa buhay mo at malusog na pangatawan. Ingatan ka lagi ng ating Panginoon. Ingat palagi dyan kung saan ka magpunta. Pasensya na wala ako sa birthday mo at di tayo makakainom. Bawi na lang ako sa susunod.
Just want to say happy birthday. Many years to come.
Kuya Willie, happy birthday. Tara, shout tayo sa Vitales.
Hi Kuya Will, happy birthday! I wish you more success and happiness and a long, happy and healthy life. Yun lang, happy birthday, enjoy!
Lu, 6 years ako mas matanda sa'yo. Parang sinabi ko na rin, 56 na ako. Medyo tumatanda na, marami nang nararamdaman. Pero hanggat maaari, pinipilit ko maging bata. Kasi may anak akong maliit, may anak akong mata pa. Gawin mo rin. Huwag mong pabayaan tumanda ang katawan natin. Kung ang isip nga natin, hanggang ngayon bata pa rin. Dapat pati katawan natin. Sa alagaan mo sarili mo, Willie. Tandaan mo, ang edad, bilang lang yan. Age is just a number. Pero ang katawan natin, dapat hindi tumatanda katulad ng tunay na edad natin. Manatili tayong bata. Alagaan mo sarili mo, Willie. Happy birthday.
Willie, happy birthday and many more birthdays to come. God bless you. And I wish that you have a good health and long life. God bless you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Will. We miss you. Hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Willie!
Kuya Willie, happy birthday. May you have good health and God bless you always.
Okay, Kuya Will!
We greet you a happy birthday and more to come. Enjoy your day and God bless always.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Willie! More birthdays to come!
Happy birthday, Tito Willie. Stay awesome.
Hello Kuya Willis, happy birthday. Sana laging masarap ang ulam mo, laging may laman ang bulsa mo at syempre, laging stress-free lang tayo lagi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ninong Will. God bless.
Hi Willie, happy birthday. Wishing you good health, long life, and many more birthdays to celebrate.
Hello Willie, happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. May all your wishes come true. God bless you always.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tito Willie. Have a nice day.
Happy birthday, Tito Willie. God bless you.
Start. Go.
Happy birthday, Willie.
Happy birthday!